Today I have come with some important problems on polynomials which are very important for your exam. In the previous classes we have learned about remainder theorem, factor theorem and methods of factorization. Today we are going to solve some important problems. So look, number 1, when fx equals to x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b is divided by x plus 1 and x minus 1, we get remainders as 19 and 5 respectively. Find the remainder if fx is divided by x minus 3. So here fx is given as x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b, where a and b is unknown. Now by remainder theorem, when fx is divided by x plus 1 and x minus 1, the remainders are f of minus 1 and f of 1 respectively. So f of minus 1 equals to, from fx we get the value as minus 1 whole to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus a into minus 1 plus b. That is 1 plus 2 minus 1 whole square means 1 plus 3 minus and minus plus a plus b. That is 6 plus a plus b. And f of 1 becomes 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus a plus b. That is 2 minus a plus b. Now by given condition, in the question it is given that the remainders will come as 19 and 5. That is f of 1 equals to 19. That is 6 plus a plus b equals to 19. Implies a plus b becomes 19 minus 6. That is 13. And f of 1 equals to 5. That is 6 plus a plus b equals to 5. Implies a plus b equals to, not 6 plus a plus b, that is 2 minus a, 2 minus a plus b. So minus a plus b equals to 3. Now if we solve the equation 1 and 2, we will find the value of a and b. The value will become a equals to 5 and b equals to 8. Therefore fx becomes x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 8. Look, first fx is given, we find the remainder f of minus 1 and f of 1. Then solving the equations, we get the value of a as 5 and b as 8. So we get our fx. Now when fx is divided by x minus 3, the remainder must be f of 3. So f of 3 is 3 to the power 4 minus 2 into 3 cube plus 3 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 8. 3 to the power 4 means 81 2 into 3 cube means 27 plus 3 into 3 square means 9 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 8. That is 81 minus 54 plus 27 minus 15 plus 8. By adding and subtracting, we get the value as 47. So here is our required remainder. F of 3 is 47. Next, come problem number 2. See, if x square minus 1 is a factor of ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus 3cx square plus dx plus e, so that a plus c plus e equals to b plus d equals to 0. See, it is given that x square minus 1 is a factor of ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Let fx equals to ax cube plus bx cube, ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. We assume that the polynomial is fx. Now, since x square minus 1 is a factor of fx, therefore x plus x square minus 1 equals to x plus 1 into x minus 1. Both are factors of fx. Therefore, by factor theorem, we know that by factor theorem, if x plus 1 is factor of fx, then f of minus 1 must be 0. Similarly, if x minus 1 is factor of fx, then f of 1 must be 0. By factor theorem, f of minus 1 equals to 0 implies f of minus 1, put the value of x as minus 1. A into minus 1 whole to the power 4 plus b into minus 1 whole cube plus c into minus 1 whole square plus d into minus 1 plus e equals to 0. That means a minus b plus c minus d plus e equals to 0. A plus c plus c, c plus e equals to b plus d. We give the equation a number 1. And f of 1 also 0. That is a into 1 to the power 4 plus b into 1 cube plus c into 1 square plus d into 1 plus e equals to 0. So a plus b plus c plus d plus e equals to 0. Give this equation a number 2. Now look from 1 and 2. A plus c plus e means b plus d. If we put the value of a plus c plus e in this equation, then look, a plus c plus e plus b plus d equals to 0. A plus c plus e means b plus d. From equation 1. So 2 into b plus d equals to 0. That is b plus d equals to 0. Hence, by comparing equation 1 and 2, if b plus d means 0, so 1 and 2, 1 and 3, put this number 3. So comparing 1 and 3, b plus d means 0. So we put the value of b plus d as 0. So a plus c plus e equals to b plus d equals to 0. Here. So this is our proof. Now I am giving a similar question as your homework. See, find the value of k for which the polynomial 3y cube minus 3 by 2y square plus ky plus 5 is exactly divisible by y minus half. Here the polynomial is given as this. If we divide it by y minus half, then it will be exactly divisible if f of half is 0. So find f of half, then make it equal to 0. From here we can find the value of k. Next our question number 3 is factorize 9 into 2a minus b square minus 4 into 2a minus b minus 13. Here we assume 2a minus b as x. Then see this polynomial becomes 9 into x square minus 4 into x minus 13, right? Now this is a equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is 9, b is minus 4 and c is minus 13. So we have to find two polynomials such that the sum of the polynomials, two integers whose sum is minus 4 and product is 9 into minus 13. Now 9 into minus 13 means minus 117. Also minus 117, this can be divided in two parts, 9 and 13, where 9 plus minus 13 equals to minus 4 and 9 into minus 13 equals to 117. Therefore this polynomial is written as 9x square. In the place of minus 4 we will write 9 minus 13. So 9x square plus 9x minus 13x minus 13. 9x square plus 9x. Take 9x as common. X plus 1 minus 13. The taking out minus 13 common, x plus 1 is remaining. So see, x plus 1 is common in both terms. So you can taking out x plus 1 as a common part. So the remaining is 9x minus 13. Here it is our factorization. Now see, we are assuming 2a minus b as x. So put the value of x as 2a minus b. To a minus b minus 13. Hence 2a minus b plus 1. 9 into 2 means 18. A minus 9b minus 13. It is our factorization. Next C. This is a problem. If a plus b plus c equals to 15 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 83, find the value of this. Here we apply an identity. A plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now see, we know the value of this is 15 and this is 83. Fifteen square means 225. So from here we can get the value of AB plus BC plus CA. 225 minus 83 becomes, this become 142, implies AB plus BC plus CA equals to 142 by 2, that is 71. Now use an identity. A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Here put the value of A plus B plus C as 15 and A square plus B square plus C square as 83 and minus the value of this part is 71. So here 83 minus 71 means 12 and 12 into 15 means 180. So here it is our answer. So here we complete some important problems on the chapter polynomial. Thank you everyone.